Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quilling project with the Vinci Eye App and My Creative Camp Beginner's Quilling Kit. First thing, you'll want to choose a frame for your finished piece. Once you got it, remove the back and trace it twice. One will have the outline for building your quilling project, and the second will be a clean backing you'll use when it's time to frame your artwork. Now open the Vinci Eye App and set it up so you can see the full sheet of paper on your phone or tablet screen. Adjust the size of your design using the app to make sure it fits perfectly within the frame. Trace with something dark with a permanent marker. Once your tracing is done, place your template on a cork board and a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper on top. Then pin everything down. I like to start out with the outline first with longer strips of quilling paper. Add a very small amount of glue at the edge of each strip so it stands upright, and use a few pins to help hold everything in place as it dries. Next comes the fun part, deciding how to fill in the open areas. For this project, I'm using tight coils, sometimes called pegs. I'm working with different shades of orange, and I cut my paper into a variety of lengths to make my finished piece more visually interesting. To make pegs, take one strip at a time and use the coiling tool to roll it up very tight. And add a tiny bit of glue to the inside of the end to keep it closed. And add small amounts of glue on the outside so it sticks to pieces around it. Press them inside nice and snug so everything fits neatly together. I will say this project was very packed and it definitely took a while. If you want a faster project, try using loose coils, scrolls, or even open shapes, but remember, this is your artwork, so create it the way you want. Once your project is fully assembled, let it dry for a little while. When everything is secure, take a long pin that comes in the Creative Camp kit and gently slide it underneath your design to lift it off the board. Please take your time here. Paper quilling is delicate and patience pays off. Place your finished piece onto a second sheet of paper that you traced earlier and add a small amount of glue to secure it, and it's ready to frame. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to try the Vinci Eye App in your next quilling project. And don't forget to check out the Creative Camp Beginner's Quilling Kit.